In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email notifications on Microsoft Forms. If you're someone who uses Microsoft Forms frequently, knowing how to manage your notifications can really help streamline your workflow. So, let's get started with this quick and easy process. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to the free Microsoft 365 online page. It's a convenient way to access all your favorite Microsoft tools without requiring any downloads or installations, especially when you're on a different device or just quickly checking something. Once you're there, you need to click on Sign In at the top right corner. This will direct you to the login page where you'll log in using your Microsoft credentials. Make sure you enter your details correctly to ensure a smooth login process. If you encounter any issues, double check your login credentials or reset your password. After successfully signing in, go ahead and navigate to Microsoft Forms. You can find this within your application dashboard or simply use the search bar to locate it quickly. Microsoft Forms is a great tool for creating surveys, quizzes, and other forms, and having the ability to customize notifications will enhance your experience even more. Now that you're in Microsoft Forms, choose one of your forms by clicking on it. This will take you to the design page of the form you selected. Picking the right form is crucial, so make sure you're working on the correct one. Once you're viewing your form, look for the settings option. It's usually located in the upper right section of your screen, marked by a gear icon. Clicking on this will bring you to the form's settings menu. In the settings menu, look for the option that says Get Email Notification of each response. It's tucked away among other useful options, so take a moment to locate it. Clicking this option will allow you to activate or deactivate the email notifications for your form responses. If enabled, it will send an email to the form creator with each new response submitted. This feature is exceptionally valuable for staying up to date with the submissions and managing the data as it comes in. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to adjust your email notifications for responses in Microsoft Forms. This small tweak can greatly improve how you manage and react to incoming data, ensuring you're always in the loop with your Forms activities. Remember to tailor these settings according to your needs, whether you want real-time updates or prefer a more discreet approach. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials.